Good morning or good afternoon, parents. My name is Julie Gonzalez, or like some students like to call me as Miss J. Um, for my family math night, this is a kindergarten setting, so we are going to be doing a 10 frame and learning add-ins and why it's important for students to know about add-ins. So, what the students have been working on for these past couple lessons is learning about the 10 frame. So, with 10 frame, they could put anything on there, like to fill in the squares. So they can use a pom pom to add each of the add-in, or they can use cubes, bears, anything you can think of to make your 10 frame. But for this family family math night, we're going to be using this. So with this one, you guys are going to create your own equations, but the most number it can be 10. It cannot be more than 10 because currently kindergarten is usually teaching to equal anything that is 10, not above 10, just because that will be for first grade curriculum. So again, you can use anything for to cover up your squares. For example, like I want to put one. Let's say I'll put this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be any color, or it could be even the same color. I like to use mine like any different color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So cover up 5, and you write the number 5 in the box right here, which I will add. Sorry if it's not a good 5. 5, and then the other 5, like the ones that is not covered, will be 5 as well. And you guys will need to figure it out. So 5 plus 5 will equal 10, and that is the number that students are supposed to be figuring out. And I will be using other manipulatives for this family math night. It could be the cubes. There's going to be stations, so the stations will be with cubes. It could even be with pom poms, the ones I just demonstrated, or it could even be with bears, little bear toys. And what will be in the desk will be two different templates. So for the first one will be addition, which again, for this one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The seven's right here. Whatever remaining you guys need to figure out the remaining number for this one equals 10. So for the missing add-ins, it will be 3. And then there will be another one for you guys to challenge yourself that I know I could see students struggle a little bit with, was the subtraction 10 frame. So for the subtraction 10 frame, the 10 frame will always be 10, always. So for it will be 10 as the first number, subtracted by, if you guys will see, is there's an X on the circles. Those X's, that's the number that you're supposed to put in here. And once you fill in that number, which right now I will do. So right now I'm working on the first one. So for the first one, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4. So parent and student needs to figure out 10 subtracted by 4. So what is 10 subtracted by 4? A method that I like to use is I like to figure it out by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is actually the answer. So 6. So some students, so the answer is 6. Some other students, there's another method I like to also use as well, is take 10 fingers. I'm still old school, so I used to use my fingers a lot during subtraction. So 10 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. What does that equal? The students will need to count their fingers to fill in the answer as well. Another strategy I forgot to also mention is with the addition problems to figure out the answer. What I like to do is, you see how 5 plus blank equals 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is easy, right? But with this one, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7's right here plus If you would like to challenge yourself, you can even cover. You can even use one of the pom poms or one of the cubes to cover this line up to challenge your student. A method I like to use is I take the 7 and put it on the bottom of 10. 10 minus 7. So if you take 10 fingers minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that will give me 3. And you can uncover it, that way the student can figure out, oh, this is my answer, so 3. And you put 3 in the middle right here as your missing add-in. I will also like to let parents know that, and for homework time, I usually will add what our math goal or reading goal is for the week, and that will be included with their homework. So this is an example of what it should be shown with their homework. But again, these are just methods and strategies I would like to use for family math night, and talk about the importance of why finding the missing numbers does count, and what other technology sources and resources are available to you families that you can use to put your child to be more knowledgeable with this content. Again, thank you so much for listening in, and I hope you have a good rest of your evening and have fun with family math night. Thank you.